Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For today's, hold on, before my mom yells at me because I didn't put it on. Much better. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm actually filming this. Today is July 25th. It is my birthday, and every year I hate my birthday, like, not gonna lie. So what I like to do to make it not about me is I like to hold a massive giveaway on my birthday. So that is exactly what we're doing today. So if you want to know all the tea on how to win one of 3 massive prize valued, we have over $2,000 worth of stuff we're giving away in today's video. So if you want to see all the goodies, how to enter, how to win, and all of that fun stuff, make sure to keep on watching, and please don't forget to subscribe because I do upload 3 times a week. That's going to be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you're interested in winning a huge giveaway, stay tuned. Alright, so first things first, I do have 3 prizes. They are broken down into 3 different categories, and I will be putting pictures up, and I have all the products here for me to show you what's in each bundle. But I have a lifestyle bundle, I have a skincare bundle, and I have a makeup bundle. Each bundle is valued over $500, and some of them a little more than even that, and just about $2,000 in product. So first, I'm going to tell you how to enter these giveaways. So there are going to be 3 winners, one on Facebook, one on YouTube, and one on Instagram. So I will link everything down below, but there's going to be an Instagram post, a Facebook post, and this video. To enter this giveaway, like this video, comment down below, subscribe to my channel. All the other details will be down below, but here's the fun part. The prizes are going to be random, so as soon as I'm done filming this video, I am going to box up the prizes. They are all going into identical large flat rate boxes from the post office, and when I draw my winners at the end of the entry point, I'm just going to slap your label on one of the boxes and ship it out. So none of us are going to know which one you're going to win, just that you will win one of the 3 random prizes. So let's jump into the first prize. Now this is going to be, I'm going to back up a little so I can actually hold it up. This is going to be the lifestyle prize. And I did want to give a special shout out to my girl, Jadi G, here on YouTube and Instagram. When I told her I was doing this giveaway, she was like, hold up, I got some stuff for you. And yesterday she dropped off, she was wearing a mask, so was I, we were socially distant, but she dropped off some products as well as cupcakes for my birthday. She is the sweetest, so thank you for helping me out with that. First item that is going to be in the lifestyle is going to be a 17-ounce Swell water bottle, and it's honestly really cute, and if she didn't drop it off for a giveaway, I'd be taking it myself. But it is a really cute corally neon orange. Brandon saw it and he was like, ooh, is that for me? I was like, no, it's for the giveaway. We have a BoxyCharm train case mini box. A set of the Hallmark Collectibles satin pillowcase and eye mask. From Boxy Pop-Up, the FH1 Heat Platform 1900 Limited Edition Rose Gold Chrome Hair Dryer. Say that 10 times fast. It is a mouthful. That's going in the lifestyle box. In addition, we have the Ellie Vale Jace Gold Necklace. It is a double chain necklace. A Snap White Teeth Whitening Kit. A bottle of the Revitalizing Cuticle Oil from Caccio. I have my bottle right over there. I've been using it non-stop since I stopped having, like, my fake nails did. So that has been making my nails amazing. So I have a bottle of that. And a Google Home Mini. Because you gotta drop some technology in there too and make it fun. So this entire bundle retails for $491.94. And I'm probably going to try and find like one other item to throw in there just so that it is over that $500. Because you know me, I do what I gotta do. Anyway, this is the lifestyle bundle. Next up we have what I actually think is my favorite bundle. And if I had to win one of these, this is the one I would want. It is the skincare bundle, which is a $755.50 value. It is a full skincare routine. If you are unsure about skincare, you don't know what your routine should look like, this is everything you need and then some to do a full skincare routine. So I'm going to take you guys through, and I'm also going to do in order how you should do them. All right, so first we're going to talk tools. So I have the PMD Clean Facial Cleanser. I did give away like 3 pink ones, but I got a blue one too, so I'm going to throw the blue one in this giveaway. I also like to use the one side to clean. I will use the other side to like vibrate in my sheet masks or to apply serum, so you can use both sides. For cleansing, there are two cleansers because, as everybody knows, you should be double cleansing. The first is going to be the Tropical Naturals Guava and Watermelon Seed Oil Cleanser. This is going to break down your makeup, decongest your pores, and get all the crap off your skin, so that when you go in with your water-based cleanser, which is the Essen Herb Tea Tree Cleansing Water, this is going to get all of that crap off of your skin. Double cleanser. After you cleanse, we tone. So I have, where everything is out of order, but I will find it. We have the Bitter Green Essence Toner from Biro. I've been using it for about a week now, give or take, and I actually really like it. It's the green one that kind of smells a little like broccoli, but don't worry, it's not like an off-putting broccoli. I do really like it, and it feels really nice on the skin, so that is your toner. For Essence, we have the 111 Skin Booster Anti-Pollution Defense, another product I've been using for about a week now, and I'm really happy with it, so I'm dropping my extras into the giveaway. After we cleanse and we tone and we put on our essence, we would go into our serums, but every now and then it's good to exfoliate. So I do have two options. We have the Good Molecules Pineapple Exfoliating Powder and the Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. Amazing products. This I currently am using in my shower. I have gone through like 3 or 4 bottles of these. Amazing. And this one, it's good. It's a little bit more gentle than the Exfoliate. So if you're like new to exfoliation, start with this one and then work this one in after you finish this bottle. You don't need to open both at the same time. But since they are going to the same person, you have options. Now, something I like to do that helps keep my serums from penetrating deeper is, again, that vibrating side from the PMD, or going in with a jade roller. So I am dropping in an After Spa jade roller. And to pair with that, 3 of the Gin Amber Beauty... I'm going to have to swap that one out. It looks like my cat chewed on this one, so I'm going to swap this one out for another one because I have like 20 of these in my bathroom. But we're going to go in with the Smoothing and Soothing Skin Superfood Sheet Mask. For our serums, I have the Georgette Klinger Retinol Serum for evening and the Pure Heal Centella 90 Ampule for during the day. You can actually use this both day and night, but this, I typically say, always use your retinols at night. And on the nights you use your retinol, always follow up with an SPF. So the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen SPF, also in the bundle. Almost done, 3 more products. The Pure Heal Centella Eye Cream is also going in because your under eyes, they need love. I'm also dropping in the Waterfall Glow Cream Moisturizer from Touch in Soul and the Carez Hydrobiome Probiotic Superdose Face Mask. I got this from BoxyCharm. I've had this. I got it in PR. I've gotten like 3 of these. So I'm just going to keep giving them away because I have one. I don't need 3. So all in all, this bundle is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 15 products, and it is a over $750 value. And the last bundle is the makeup bundle, which, with the exception of your foundation and your concealer, it is everything you need to do a full face of makeup. You might need a few extra brushes, but we're going to go through basically a full face of makeup. So I'm going to start with tools. So first we have the Makeup Drop Hybrid Silicone Pad and Blending Sponge, as well as the Opulent Beauty Brush Trio. And just for good measure, I did also drop in a brush roll from Delium Tools. This is just the travel roll. There's no brushes in here, but still cool. I am going to go through the products in the order in which I would use them while doing a full face of makeup. So first is going to be your primer. So we have the Tarte Base Tape Hydrating Primer. Then you would go in with your foundation, your concealer, and then we're going to use our setting powder. So for setting powder, this is the Brow Bar by Rima Hollywood Icon Collection palette. Mine is this the same one? Drama Queen. This palette right here, this one is mine. This is the new one that's going in. So in addition to having like eyeshadows and highlighters, there is a translucent setting powder in there. So you can use that powder for your setting powder. Then we would go into contour, bronzer, blush, and highlight. So we have a couple options. First, the Too Faced Cocoa Contour Palette. If you like, and then for bronzer, the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife Highlighter, and the Laura Geller Multitasking Eye Lip Cheek Palette, which has blush, bronzer, and highlight in there as well. So you have a few options depending on if you want a little more glam, a little bit softer, a little bit more natural, and anything in between. After I put on all of those powders, I typically would like to go in with a setting spray. So then we have the Pop Beauty Makeup Magnet Mist Energizing Setting Spray. And I did forget, I also dropped in the Nude Sticks Tinted Blur Stick. If you are of a deeper complexion, this is a beautiful like primer skin blur. I have this in a darker color for myself that I like to use to contour. So depending on whatever your skin tone is, you will be able to use that as well. Next, we would go into eyes. So I have a Hourglass Arch Eyebrow Pencil for your brows. And for your eyes, I have, well, there's the Brow Bar by Rima palette, but I also dropped in the Carity Picante Eyeshadow Palette. The Milk Makeup Kush Eyelash Primer. The Lily Lashes Triple X Mascara. And a pair of Lily Lashes Mink. Are these the mink or the faux mink? I think they're the faux mink. Yes, good, faux mink. These are the Lily Lashes Faux Mink Lashes in the style Mykonos, which are like my favorite lashes ever. And then for lip options, because I did want to give you more than one, I have the Cab Lip Liner and Lip Gloss Duo. This is in the shade Charming. And I have the Easy Sell from Ola Neon, a matte lipstick. So you have a liner, a matte, and a gloss. So you basically have whatever kind of lip you like, all in one place. And now this bundle retails for $518. So what I'm going to do real quick is I'm going to just put up 3 little pictures right here so you can see the 3 bundles side by side. Let me know down below what you're most excited to win, which one you would want. I'm also going to link where you can go to check out the Facebook post for the giveaway, as well as the Instagram post for the giveaway. If you enter all 3, you have a better chance to win because, again, the prize is going to be random. So I don't even know which one you're going to win if you win on what platform. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, as always. And I will see you guys on Monday with a non-giveaway video where we can actually just talk about makeup again. Have a good day. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.